If you have a high quality Orthomosaic, but the file size is too big, here's a way to make it a lot smaller. Okay, so here is QGIS. It's completely free. You can find it on the internet. It's an open source GIS project. This is some line work from our planimetric sample dataset. Looks really good. I imported it as a shapefile. And I made an ortho from the R2A images in Pix4D. So I'm going to drag and drop that TIFF image into QGIS. And here it is. You can see even at 40% overlap, the flight lines stopped right around here. We have no holes in the image. It looks really good. This is a particularly good section to look at. We have some arrows. Everything's looking good. How do I take this image and make it smaller? It's really easy. Simply right-click the image, go to Export, Save As. The Save Raster Layer As window pops up. Then all we need to do is create a file name. I'm going to go with Reduced Size Image. It saves as a TIFF. I've set my CRS. In ROCK Cloud, you want your image to match your LiDAR reprojection. So here is EPSG code 2240, Georgia West. That's what I have in this project in ROCK Cloud. Everything should work well together. Just make sure this matches your reprojection. I'm going to come down here, and this is where we determine the resolution. Now, you can set this to different numbers, but in this case, I'm going to do 0.25. You can do 0.5, you can do 1, you can do 0.1. The more the number is, the lower the size of the image, but also the lower the size of the resolution. So I think 0.25 should do well, and it should give us about a fourth the size of the original resolution file, which is about 1.5 gigs. Now, I also want to make sure rendered image is checked. Then I'm going to pick high compression. I don't need to change any of these. So to review, we've got rendered image, GeoTIFF, given it a name, we're matching our ROCK Cloud projection. We've picked 0.25 right here in the resolution section. Create options is checked with high compression. And we're going to add the same file to the map. Hit OK. All right, we've got our reduced image. It's 1/4 of the resolution of the original. You can see we get some pixelation, but at the end of the day, we can still see all the line work. We can see what's paint, what's grass, and what's not. And that's all we really want to do. Now, you can upload the full resolution to ROCK Cloud. There's nothing wrong with that. But some customers have run into an issue where their full resolution image might be 20, 30 gigabytes. You don't have to go through all that upload time. You can downsample that and then upload it and still have a usable product. Now all you have to do is drag and drop that image into ROCK Cloud in whatever project you're using it in, and you're good to go.